guys, I came to visit my parents today, and I'm like, what can I do? Daylight savings is upon us, so it's going to get darker sooner. But this tree that fell down, before I cut this up, I want to try and split the rounds that I cut last time because it's good wood and I don't want it to rot. So I'm going to try split wood once again, so hopefully I can do all right this time. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to try this again. I learned last time that this wood's still very wet, so I'm going to try with the split maul. But there is a little branch on this side and I hope it doesn't hurt me. Bump it that way. Nope. Starting to make sound. Ooh, scheiße. Oh shit. Keep cracking. Do I just keep smacking it? Nope. Suckers. Move this guy out of the way. See, he has it's a he, I'll put it that way. Right there, should be good. Let's find out. Oh yeah, getting some muscles finally. Let me see if I can split this guy. I'll get my little buggy and load him up and take him up the hill. Make it a little flatter. No, but this is the best surface I have for splitting wood down here. Fudge. Let's see if that helps. Don't want it to bend towards me. Fudge you. Again, I usually don't choose to do things the smart way or the efficient way. I just try and get it done. Can I knock you out? I don't like its placement. Nope. There we go. Did it get it? Maybe that helped. That's not safe. That was stupid. There we go. Fudge. this way. Hopefully it'll only take one hit because it's not very secure. Ooh, that scared me. Ooh, Shiza. Don't hit the camera. I want to pick that back up. That guy's too tall. I might smack it there. So I put it up here. There's no way I could safely hit it. I gotta think what I'm gonna do here. If I could pick that guy up, it's not too heavy, I could finish it or get a smaller one. Or try that one, which I don't feel that guy's gonna have to be cut in half. Let's see if I can do better this time. This is very wet. Oh. Shiza. There's like water pouring out of it as I'm pushing into it. I hope it can't be too green to split it this way. I have to tarp all this. I don't want to do that in the spring. It's cracking, but it's slow. Keep going. Oh, I kind of missed, but definitely don't want to trip. There we go. Yes, he's still very green. Maybe I don't want them together. Nope. Sure. Maybe you guys could tell me, does that go in and not split because it's still too green? Or I just don't have the man muscles? It can roll. Shiza. I don't like the way it was angled. This is definitely a workout, I'll tell you. there's another piece down there, but I don't know if I have the strength to wheel it up here. But let me move this out of the way and I'll see what I can do. I'll be right back. Muscle and energy, but I was able to get a decent sized piece over here. This will probably be the last one for the day, if it doesn't hurt me. Ooh, that was a bad part. Hold on. Oh shit. Keep going. The story of my life. Just keep busting. Oh shit. Fuck. Nope, still not there. Again, this probably isn't the right way to do it, but I can't get it out of there. So please again share some tips. If I know that I could spray my axe with WD-40 and it will get unstuck a lot easier. Maybe it's the same with that. You guys can let me know, or I'll just have to try it next time. It's all the way. Oh shit. Fuck. Sorry about the bad words. A little frustrating. Maybe if I come around this, I don't know if you guys can see it. I'd bring the camera on and show you, but I kind of have it rigged. Shit. Now I need to turn 2 pieces into 4 pieces. At least 4. Thank you. Help me help you. Thought I got it out, thought wrong. There we go. Hopefully that's better. Well, finally something went right. Hopefully this last half will be just as kind. Nope, that hurt me. I knew that was gonna happen. Shiza. Again, I gotta work with what I got. That missed. I don't like how it's... There we go. Hopefully that'll help until I... Of course, it can't be as nice as the last one. I just gotta move those guys. I'm gonna have to cut this up next time and split it. The one after I was done helping my parents, I walked the property just to see if I could see more deer poop, which I have, more mushrooms, and the weather's been nasty, it's fall, so I'll show you a tree fell. So I'm gonna have to cut that up next time I come down. Have to burn some brush. But yeah, this tree right here, Mother Nature took it down. Right there. Those trees over there, I cut those and I've just thrown those there so they're out of the way till I can delimb them. But yeah, this big guy right here fell down. And yeah, all these older trees are gonna have to come down sooner or later. All those up there that I still have to do. And I still have this leaning right here, this Widowmaker, that I need to figure out how to safely do. Then yeah, the rest of that big thing. But I'm happy I finally split some wood, cleaned up a little bit down here, and then I want to clear up there, so I'll be no issues for putting that zip line up. Thanks again, guys. I appreciate you, and again, please share your tips on how I can do this smarter and safer and efficiently, if you don't mind, because I listen to you guys. I appreciate you. Thanks again.